Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get oxygen to the brain quickly. Your brain needs a constant, ample supply of oxygen to function optimally. We'll explore the most effective strategies to ensure your brain receives the oxygen it requires, whether for daily cognitive performance or in urgent situations. Understanding these methods can significantly impact your overall brain health and responsiveness. Let's dive into the key actions you can take right now. To quickly enhance oxygen delivery, focus on your breathing. Deep, slow breaths from your diaphragm rather than shallow chest breathing can increase oxygen saturation by several percentage points. Regular physical activity, like a brisk 30-minute walk, also strengthens your heart and improves blood vessel elasticity, ensuring a steady, robust flow of oxygen-rich blood to your brain. These simple habits make a big difference. A well-oxygenated brain performs better across the board. You'll experience sharper focus, improved memory, and quicker problem-solving abilities. Beyond cognitive benefits, adequate oxygen supply can significantly reduce feelings of mental fatigue and brain fog, leaving you feeling more energized throughout your day. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining a balanced mood and reducing the impact of daily stressors. Prioritize this for overall well-being. In summary, prioritizing deep breathing, regular exercise, and good posture are fundamental steps to ensure your brain receives the oxygen it needs to thrive. These practices contribute to enhanced cognitive function, improved mood, and sustained energy. Remember, a healthy brain is key to a productive and fulfilling life. For more tips and resources, check the description below for helpful links and other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers. Invest in your brain health today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.